Hi guys, here's another cool artisan piece that we're selling from Be Wordy Vinyl. And these are wash and dry decals for your washer and dryer. So we're selling these for both front loader and top loader washer and dryer machines, but I'm going to do an instructional video for the front loader washer and dryer machines. So this is how it comes. It's actually connected, the wash and dry decal, but I just kind of cut through the middle, just make sure that you don't get any of the pattern. It has this really cute leaf design around it. So I haven't applied these to anything before, so we're going to see together how they work to apply them. So it comes with an instructional little application tip brochure and also this little stick to help kind of smooth and apply. So we are going to peel off the front from the back. Okay, so I was able to detach the front sheet that has the wash label on it from the backing. So kind of put the backing to the side, you don't need that anymore. And so I'm just going to center. Washing decal, and I will do dry, and then you'll have a really cute, addition to your washer and dryer that's pretty basic to begin with.